Today I am going to recite a poem named A Child's Call for God's Love. Today we gather young and small to hear and answer God's great call. We learn of Jesus, pure and true, but we need His love from all of you. For in your eyes we see God's grace. In your step we find our place. But sometimes we feel lost alone. Without His love, you haven't shown. We hear of kindness, gentle care, of prayers and faith always there. But at home, we sometimes miss. The joy and peace is found in His kiss. So parents, hear this humble plea. Share His love for all to see. Not just on Sundays in this space, but every day show us His face. We need your guidance, hand in hand, to help us follow His great plan. In your hearts, let His love grow, so through your lives, His light will show. For what we learn here, you young and bright, needs to be nurtured in your light. Let us see your faith so strong and teach us right from what is wrong. So let His love in every home be felt and shared, not just known. Together we can grow in grace and share His love in every place. Thank you.